History of automation. The technology of automation has evolved from the related field of mechanization, which started during the Industrial Revolution. Mechanization is the replacement of human power with some form of mechanical power, but with every new development in the history of power machines, there has been an increased requirement for control devices to keep the power of the machines in check. For example, the earliest steam engines needed someone to open and close the valves in order to let steam in and out of the piston chamber. Eventually, a slide valve mechanism was created to automatically complete these tasks. At this point, the human operator only had to regulate the amount of steam that controlled the engine's speed and power. But this action was eventually eliminated by James Watt's invention, the flying ball governor. This device consisted of a weighted ball on a hinged arm that was coupled to the output shaft of the engine. As the shaft's rotational speed increased, centrifugal forces caused the ball to move outward, which reduced the steam being introduced to the engine, thus slowing the engine. The flying ball governor is a prime example of a feedback control system, specifically a negative feedback control system, where the increasing output of a system is used in order to determine the activity of the system. Negative feedback systems are used widely as a means of automatic control to achieve a stable operating level for a system. Other important developments in the history of automation were Joseph Marie Jacquard's invention of the Jacquard loom, which showed the concept of a programmable machine capable of producing complex patterns in clothes by controlling the motions of several shuttles of different colored threads. In the 19th century, Charles Babbage further developed the concept of programming a machine by proposing a complex mechanical analytical engine that could perform arithmetic and data processing. Now, Babbage may not have been able to complete it, but this device was the precursor of today's digital computer.